Welcome to Food Fanatix. Sieve 4-ounce plain flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, beat 3-ounce butter at room temperature until light and fluffy. Add 4-ounce caster sugar, 1¼ ounce brown sugar, and beat until well combined. Add 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and beat until well combined. Add the flour mixture and beat well with the mixer on low speed. Stir in 4 ounces of chocolate chips and 2 ounces of chopped walnuts. Drop teaspoons of the mixture onto a greased baking tray. Flatten each biscuit lightly with a wet fork. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes.